Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, let's meet with the new number 20. At night, a boy stopped out the twinkling stars in the sky. There were 20 in all. Can you count the stars in the sky? Let's count. There are 20 stars. Now look at the abacus. There are 2 tens, no ones, which means 20. 2 tens is equal to 20. Now think and tell, how many stars are there in the picture? How many fingers and toes do you have? See you in the next lesson.